Okay, announcement time. If you haven't noticed, there's a different sign behind me. Same shop, different sign. What we're doing is just rebranding the channel. We're going from 92 Nails to Sam Macy Designs. Sam Macy Designs is something I've been working on for the past year. It is my art that I've been creating. There's a link in the description for the website so you can check that out, kind of get an idea of what Sam Macy Designs is and the products and the process, all that good stuff. The reason I'm rebranding the channel is because I wanted to give you an inside look at how I make that art. What does that mean for you as a subscriber? Well, nothing's really going to change. I'm still going to do all the project videos, all the cool shop stuff, project creation, plans. Everything's going to stay the same, except we're going to bring you a little more content in the making of that art. That's really all it is. I'm really excited about this change. I'm excited about this sign. Right after I upload this video, I'm going to upload the sign video of making this new sign. It's got a secret little component to it. I'll let you know. There's a button under there that unlocks something. So be sure to check that out. Thanks for sticking around, and we'll see you next time.